Yo, what's up, YouTubers? Alright, so what we're going to do here is a little tutorial video. One of the smoke tricks, one of the new smoke tricks that I've learned during my little stint of my video drought. I realized that a lot of my other montages were just basic, your basic smoke rings and ghost clouds and that type of thing. Hold on a second, I cut this AC off before I start trying to do tricks, and then I realized that this shit ain't gonna work. So anyway, that's the first key to doing this smoke trick, is you have to have a still environment, no airflow, as little draft as possible. The very first thing basically is going to be, it's a two-step process. First you've got your smoke spill, which is basically letting the smoke puddle on the table. And then from there you've got your scoop, which is going to create a cyclone, smoke tornado. It'll spiral up, it'll look just like a tornado. There's different techniques to get different tornado types, which that's a little bit technical. I'll get into that in a second. But for right now, I'm just going to cue up a song here, play this shit. There it goes. And then we will get back to it. Alright, didn't have music queued up, so that's kind of a must. Alright, so anyway, first of all, smoke spill. The key is to not push too hard. Oops, I just fucked that all up. But yeah, to make it to where you're not whipping the smoke, to where it's a steady in and up. And then that's the best form that I found. Everyone a nice little helix. Yeah, that's another technique that I'll get into, the hand whipping. Like you can stir it up and control it, but it's kind of a more advanced technique. Man, I'm fucking running out of breath doing this shit. Alright, now let's see, where did my cup go? This is another alternative to do the actual smoke spill. You use like a cup or something that you don't have to get next to the table. You can like pour from, say like a cardboard tube, from a paper towel, anything that you don't have to get next to the table, because then when you pull away, it creates a draft that fucks up the puddle. Alright, so here's the basic. The easiest way that I learned how to do it was to spill direct with your hand on the table. That way you don't have to like cut down into it. You can just like already have it there. So yeah, getting into the more technical aspects of it, in your scoop, you can create different textures. Like you can do a single tornado with just your fingertip. Up will create one. If you do your hand, what's going to happen is you're going to create one cyclone here at your wrist and one at the fingertip. So you'll get two almost every time. There's certain Poppin' Corks, a dude on Instagram, he's the master of the helix. Like the way that you cup it, it makes the two helix like a DNA strand. It's badass, dude. I'm still trying to figure out how to do that. But when I do figure that out, I'll definitely post that shit on here. But yeah, for right now, I've just got the basics down. That's all I'm really trying to share. It's just, this was like when I saw this, I was in awe. Like I thought this was the coolest smoke trick I'd ever seen. So it's just, slowly learning the different levels of smoke tricks and shit. And I figured I'd just, try to impart the shit that I've learned onto y'all, and maybe y'all can do the same. Alright, I'm going to do one more, and I'm cutting this bitch. I'm about out of breath. Oh, I whipped it too hard. Fuck. Alright. That'll do it for this video. I gotta turn the AC back on. It's hotter than a motherfucker in here. So, yeah, I hope maybe this teaches y'all something. Maybe you've never seen it before. Maybe you've seen it and didn't know how to do it. But that's just my take on it. I haven't really looked up anybody else's tutorials. I just figured I'd let y'all know my way. And hope that it helps. That's all I can really do. But I got plenty of other tutorials coming. There's several other smoke tricks that I've learned. So I got a montage that I'm working on right now. I'm just trying to get, several good clips to piece it together to get the final cut. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. So y'all do me a favor, rate, comment, share, subscribe. Just help me spread the word that I'm back, because I'm here to stay. I'm not fucking around. And my view count is down heavy. I get 18,000, 19,000 subscribers, and I'm barely getting 1,000 views a day. So, the roots are still there. I just need to reestablish the connection with everybody. So, hopefully these will be good steps to it. So until next time, peace out. Y'all have fun being high. Enjoy your vapes and stay faded. Peace.